Today we will discuss on the topic T-cell cycle, which is also known as citric acid cycle or Krebs cycle in biochemistry. So, the citric acid cycle was discovered by the scientist Hans Krebs, and hence the cycle is also known as Krebs cycle. The citric acid cycle is the most important metabolic pathway for the energy. About 65 to 70% of the energy ATP is synthesized in Krebs cycle, and as we know that ATP has the main role in providing or storing energy which is used by the cell. Citric acid cycle essentially involves oxidation of acetyl-CoA. So the cycle consists of 8 steps. It is the 8-step process. So the first step is formation of citrate. So when oxaloacetate condenses with acetyl-CoA, to form citrate, and this reaction takes place by the enzyme citrate synthesis. Okay, this was the first step, formation of citrate. So second step consists of 2 reactions, second and third step. Okay, formation of isocitrate. When citrate is isomerized to isocitrate, by the enzyme acetonase, this reaction takes place by the enzyme acetonase. This reaction is achieved in 2 steps. It is 2-step reaction. By the formation of cis acetonase, the isocitrate is formed. Okay, so this was the formation of isocitrate. So third step also consists of 2-step reaction, fourth and fifth step reaction, formation of alpha ketoglutarate. So the enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase converts isocitrate to oxaloacetate, and then forms alpha ketoglutarate in presence of enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase. Okay, so the fourth step is 1-step reaction, formation of succinyl CoA. Okay, when alpha ketoglutarate in presence of enzyme alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, it gives succinyl CoA. Okay, so fifth step is formation of succinate. When succinyl CoA is converted to succinate, by succinate thiokinase, by the enzyme succinate thiokinase. This was the fifth step. And sixth step is conversion of succinate to fumarate. Okay, so succinate is converted to fumarate by the enzyme succinate dehydrogenase. This reaction results in the production of FADH2. Okay, so moving to the 7th step, formation of malate. It is also known as L-malate. Okay, when fumarate is converted to malate by the enzyme fumarase. Okay, so last 8th step is conversion of L-malate to oxaloacetate. This reaction occurs in presence of enzyme malate dehydrogenase, and here the final synthesis of NADH takes place. Okay, the final synthesis of NADH takes place at this step. So now we will see the significance of this cycle. Krebs cycle The Krebs cycle releases plenty of energy required for various metabolic processes required by the cell. Second, excessive carbohydrates are converted to neutral fat. And third, TCA cycle is ampobolic in nature. Means TCA cycle, ampobolic means it is a biochemical pathway that involves both catabolic and anabolic reaction. Fourth, citric acid cycle acts as a common metabolic pathway for oxidation of carbohydrate, lipid, protein because they are the metabolized by acetyl-CoA. And last, one acetyl-CoA produces total 10 ATP. Okay.